Hi, are you looking for a solar panel? Meet this Solar 665 watt high efficiency solar panel that is a powerhouse designed for large scale installation and maximum energy output. This is one of the Solar Ultra High Power series. It is built with advanced half-cut cell technology, reducing power losses and improving performance with partial shading. It has an efficiency of around 51.4%, making this panel deliver more energy per square meter, ideal for commercial rooftops, solar farms, or large-scale solar projects where space and performance matters. Some of its key features is it has 102 monocrystalline earth cells. It has creating resistance. It has an excellent low light performance. For more of information about this panel, visit our offices at Platinum Square, Ola Road, Industrial Area, shop number 10, or if you are in Kisumu or Western region, you can visit our offices in Kisumu at New World Business Complex near the new railway station in Kisumu. Or you can also make a call or visit our social media handles. We'll be glad to engage you and give you more information about this panel and its electrical specs.